Ivy type. Ivy type. See? Letters. This is something Shaw used to do since he was your age too. Oh, that's CFC. MMVV. VHNFB. Good job. QFG. This is text edit on 288 font.
I see.
Oh, wait. Do you want this song?
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Do you like that song?
Yeah, both songs. 7, 7, 8, 9.
Nice. Autograph. That's choreography.
Did you hear that, Mama? And what does this say? Okay.
I want to do math games with the computer. That's an interesting idea. Let's say a thing.
No, I'm first. Let's say one thing plus two things, and how do you take away one? I mean, 1, 2.
That's the takeaway button. So we have two things, an L and a K, right?
Yeah.
How many?
And then you add 1.
And how many things is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, try again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
And what if you add one thing to another thing?
Well, here. Well, you could count those.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What the heck is this? What does that
Gallic.
again?
Gallic. All right.
1, 4.
You're gonna find the C, Ivy. That one. Can you do that? Just that one? Yeah. Good job. What comes next, Shaw?
This one.
A, B, C. What comes next?
Oh.
Do you know?
A, B, C.
What comes? No, in the alphabet. A, B. What comes next? A, B, C, D. Can you find D?
But
Someone put a V, but could you find D?
oh, D. How
Can you find the letter D?
do you get it to?
There we go. Can you find the letter D?
No, but we have to get back to O.
Oh. Okay. Shaw's gonna do D, Ivy.
But no, C.
No,
Oh.
C. Now, what comes next? D.
D. Oh no. Oh.
There you go. You got it, Ivy.
L. A, B, C, D, E.
Oh, good job.
Wow. What does that say?
Go. Where'd the O go? Can you type an O after the G to make go? There's go.
Go.
What are you doing? Are you typing or making faces?
What is this? What's this?
Flash?
It's the circle, the big circle.
The camera?
Well, it looks like there's a camera. There's a camera here?
Mm-hmm. The fingerprint
What's
sensor?
this thing?
I can't see because I'm making a video
I know.
that you're running.
That's a fingerprint sensor? The big circle on the back?
Yeah.
When do you put your fingerprint there?
If you want to use it to unlock your phone.
Oh, you do it in the back? Oh. So strange, these Android phones.
What are you typing, Ivy?